Hello everybody, this is a little bit different video today, but Ms. Weaver is going to be showing you how to do the pizza method. And this is for expanded form, okay? This is where we stretch the number out. So watch how I do this with a 6-digit number. I'm going to start out with the number 598,712. Now, notice how I spaced these digits apart. In a minute, when you're practicing, I want you to maybe space them apart too. It's just easier to keep yourself organized that way. But I like to draw a nice line kind of underneath it just to kind of let me know where my expanded form is going to begin. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drop the 5 down right here to tell us how much the 5 is worth. And all these other numbers are going to become zeros. Drop the comma straight down. So really, this 5 is worth 500,000. Don't forget your plus sign. The next thing we're going to do is drop the 9 down, okay? And he's going to go right directly below where he is, okay? So 9. And then the 8, the 7, the 1, and the 2 are all going to become zeros. So 90,000 plus sign. Then you're going to drop your 8 straight down. Bring the comma down. Change the 7, the 1, and the 2 to zeros. 8,000. Drop your 7 down and do the 1 and the 2. Change those to zeros because it's worth 700. Plus drop your 1 down. It's worth 10. Plus 2 is just staying a 2. So when you're all said and done, if you want to rewrite it, you can do that right here. Okay? And that first number is 500, comma, 000, 500,000. The next number would be plus 90,000 plus 8,000 plus 700. You can come down to the next row, that's fine. Plus 10 plus 2. And that is our expanded form. And we did this by using the pizza method. So expanded form is usually written like this, but an easy way to get there is doing the pizza method. If you want to continue watching, I'm going to do one more just so you can see what I'm doing. I like to just start at the top of the page. I know I didn't on the other page, but it's a lot easier to keep your main number up here. 900. Let's do some zeros in here so we can talk about those. Okay? And I did space mine a little bit closer this time, but they still are pretty spaced apart for digits. So you're going to start by dropping your 9 down. And like I said, I like to do a line like that. And then I'm going to drop my 9 down first because it's in the biggest place. And all of these others are going to just become zeros. So the 8 becomes a 0, the 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. 900,000, drop your 8 down. That's really worth 80,000. Now, we're to the 0. There's no need to drop this 0 down because if I put 0, comma, 0, 0, 0, that's not a real number. It's just worth 0. The total is not going to change, so I'm just going to kind of ignore that 0 and skip to the next place. Be careful, though. Don't put the 7 in the thousands place. Make sure you drop it straight down into the hundreds place because the 7 is in the hundreds place, so it's worth 700. And then this 0, I'm not going to do anything with it either. I'm going to skip over it and go to the 6 and just do plus 6. So if you want to rewrite it in expanded form, we can do that right here. 900,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always like to double check my zeros. Plus 80,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 700. Plus 6. And you don't need an extra plus sign after your last digit because then you're done adding. And that would give us this number, which is in standard form, 980,706. Okay, now let's say that you have the expanded form given to you and you need to change it into the standard form. Let's say it looks like this. How are you gonna do that? Well, let me tell you. It's real easy, okay? You're gonna wanna start with the 5, because that's our biggest number. And you're gonna wanna count how many digits it has in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I like to then make 1, 2, comma, 3, 4, 5 blanks. And I have a 5 here in the 10,000s place. This is an 8,000, so I know there's an 8 in the thousands place. I have a 6 in the hundreds place, an 8 in the tens place, and a 4 in the ones place. Okay? Basically, you are getting rid of the zeros like that, okay? But I will say, if your expanded form accidentally doesn't have a space that has a 0, let me show you what that looks like, because that is different. So let's say we have 700,000 plus 1,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 6. Okay, let's say we have that. I'm gonna look at my biggest number and count the places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this is a 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna put a 7 in the 100,000s place. But notice something. I'm not gonna put the 1 in the 10,000s place, because the 1 is not in the 10,000s place. It's in the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the 1 is actually gonna go in the thousands place. So what happened here? There is no 10,000, so we're gonna put a 0 there. And then we're gonna put an 8 in the hundreds place, a 5 in the tens place, and a 6 in the ones place. So you do have to be careful when changing expanded form back to standard, because sometimes they'll just leave out an entire place because a 0 has to go there. So if that is ever the case, you're gonna put a 0 there. There were no 10,000s here, so we put a 0. Make sure that you pay attention, because they will trick you, and it can get really, really tricky sometimes when changing expanded back to standard. I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I would be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Thanks for watching.